Welcome back to another video, everyone. Sorry that my hair's crazy. It's because I woke up like an hour ago. We're going to be reacting to the Cat in the Hat Part 2 Analog Horror. If you haven't watched the first one, I'm going to show you a few clips. So what happened, Cat in the Hat killed the parents, and I'll show you that clip.
With them, isn't it wonderful? You didn't like the trick? I thought it would make you...
That's what happened in the last one. Now we're going to see what the little girl heard.
In local news, the police have confirmed that 8-year-old Emily Smith was found dead this morning, apparently fallen from the second floor of her home. Inside the house, the bodies of her parents, Laura and Edwin Smith, were also found. The little girl seemed to have suffered a tragic accident. However, the investigations are still ongoing, as the killer remains at large. Just a few blocks away from here, the body of Sarah Williams, the babysitter who had been hired to take care of Emily, was discovered. A few months ago, there was a series of disappearances and killings of children across the entire country. People vanished and never came back. But now, this is no ordinary killer. The whole town is terrified. If you see anything strange, don't hesitate to call the authorities. This is a real danger to everyone.
Again? Oh my God. Sweetheart, it's late. Come here. Give me a good night kiss.
I don't want to go to sleep yet, Mom. I'm not tired.
Go to sleep, sweetheart. It's very late.
Okay, but... Mom, can you check under the bed, please? Are there any monsters? I heard noises yesterday.
Oh, Ethan. Of course I will. But there's nothing. Okay?
Mom?
Oh, I think it's Cat in the Hat. What? What's that? What the hell?
Boo! Surprise! I'm the Cat in the Hat. And
He's
you
back.
must be Ethan.
Who are you? And where's my mom? Mom!
Easy there, little mouse.
Stop
Your
mewing.
mom is fine. She's sleeping deeply right under your bed so we don't wake her, okay? She gave me permission to come out and play with you all night. Doesn't that sound wonderful?
For real? Is my mom sleeping and she let me stay awake?
Exactly. Don't you want a chatty cat to entertain you? Come on. What should we play?
Okay, anything.
It's gonna be the same as lot. Oh, I think he died if he goes that red light. Oh, oh my God, this is horrifying version. I think he's the green like a red light person. Oh, why is he red? Oh God. Oh God. Jesus Christ. Why is he all red? You're dead now. Oh God. Oh my God, I see him in the corner of his eyes. You're dead now.
Oh, Ethan, you have to be faster.
Again. Now let's play Sleeping Lions.
What kind of game is that?
I close my eyes and you have to make me move
What a strange game.
Oh god.
All right, let's try.
Get back. Ugh.
Mom? Run. 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 Pass.
What an inconvenience.
Mom!
Oh, kiddo, what a pity. You just lost the game.
Mom?
Oh, what the hell?
Get ready for the show. And now, the one and only Thing 1 and Thing 2.
No.
Please, let her go.
This is going to be incredibly grotesque, folks. So, shall we tone it down just a little for the audience?
Hold on a second, we've got to turn it down a bit because they can't really hear what he's saying. It's way too loud. This is honestly good. I like Thing 1 and Thing 2. I have a great fun now. So, guys. I watched a tiny bit of that guy watching. I actually didn't. I just saw who was by and went on the video.
We wouldn't want any trouble now, would we,
Huh?
little mouse?
Ugh.
Come on, little ones, it's dinner time.
Ugh. Oh. They just ate her.
You don't have to be scared. Or did you not like the show? Your mom played her part very well, didn't she?
You're a monster. Stay away from me.
You know, I hate it when kids don't enjoy my tricks, little mouse. It really leaves me empty. Maybe I should fill my stomach with something less stylish. Come on, kid. Run now while you can. You wouldn't want the same fate as your mom, would you?
What's gonna happen? Whoa. Huh? I don't know what's happening because I wasn't really listening to what he was saying. Ugh. Oh, what the hell's that? It's a Thing 1.
Surprise! You're sure to play, little mouse.
Hmm?
Well, what a family reunion! Sorry, little ones, but I don't have time for vengeful ghosts. What? What's happening? No, this is impossible! In my world! In my reality! I am the god here! No, this can't be happening. No.
Oh. Did he die? Oh my. I think I might be working at my thumbnail. Okay, press pause if you want to read that. So I don't know, reading that. 2003, when my uncle was born.
I had a dream last night.
Oh.
Full of fright. I dreamt that I was with the devil below in his great big fiery hall, where the devil was giving a ball. I checked my coat and hat and started gazing
How long
at
is this
the
on for?
in the devil's hall. I saw the funniest devil that I ever saw, making the ticket from the hook at the door.
Oh! He's a bunny.
Oh, what a horrible happy ending that would have been. Wouldn't you say?
Oh! Okay. Goodbye. Wait, is he actually dead? It is. Don't speak. Yes. Okay, guys. Wait, I want to watch this. How now, goodbye.